Hello, this is Enrico from botHaven. I am going to show you how to install and use Professionbuddy. First off, we are gonna want to download Honorbuddy. So we go to Buddy forums and download it. While it's downloading, we can just make a folder for it because we're going to unzip it here. Here we go. And then we simply just put all the files over there. I'm sure you're already familiar with this, so there's nothing new here really, just getting Honorbuddy. Okay, so the next step is getting Professionbuddy. Professionbuddy can be found on their forums. You go to Honorbuddy forum and to their featured and bot basis subforum. Here we have the Professionbuddy thread, and the way he distributes Professionbuddy is that he has an SVN repository available. An SVN repository is basically a place where he can easily upload new versions from his own PC, and it allows you to easily download everything and update everything quite easily as well. You don't have to worry about updating it because Professionbuddy has auto update built into the bot base. So in order to get all these files, we are going to need an SVN client, and I can recommend TortoiseSVN, and HighVolts also recommends it, so we are gonna check that out. And downloads, I will use this 64-bit version because my OS is 64-bit. And I cheated a little and already downloaded it, but you just download it and then you can pause the video until your download is done. When it's done, you start the installation. It's pretty straightforward. You know, these kind of installations, just leave all the defaults and install. Alright, when it's done installing, it will tell you to restart your PC. That is not required. The application will work perfectly fine for our purpose without rebooting your PC. In the meanwhile, we can go to the place where we are going to install Professionbuddy. So we go into bots and make a new folder called Professionbuddy. There we go. And now that TortoiseSVN is done installing, we can basically just right click this folder and click SVN checkout. To make it a little easier, we are going to copy this address first. Copy. And then right click the Professionbuddy folder, click SVN checkout. The reason we want to copy before clicking checkout is because it will automatically fill out these two fields, so you don't have to do it. So when this window pops up, you just click OK. Now it will download all the files from Professionbuddy, and it shouldn't take too long. Here we go, and it's done. Now I have a fully working Professionbuddy. Now you're ready to start using Professionbuddy. If you have any more questions about this guide, or you have any additions, or it can be anything else, related to developing for Honorbuddy or just using it, come visit us at our forums. You can see the URL in the video. Thanks, bye.